Good morning to one and all present here. I, Kavya, welcome you all, judges, faculties, and fellow mates, to this thrilling event, Brainova, where speed meets intelligence, being organized by the Institution's Innovation Council, JIMS Vasant Kunj, on the occasion of National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated in India on February 28 each year to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman on 28 February 1928. For his discovery, Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930. This day is celebrated to recognize India's scientific achievements, encourage scientific temper in students, promote scientific research and innovation, and to showcase the country's scientific progress.
The institution's Innovation Council, IIC, formed under the guidelines of Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, is committed for nurturing creativity and entrepreneurial talent. Over the years, it has provided a platform for students, faculty to explore, ideate, and innovate through hackathons, seminar, leadership talks, and workshops, building a strong ecosystem of innovation on our campus. To celebrate Science Day, the Memory Test Challenge is designed to highlight the importance and observation, concentration, and cognitive skills that are essential in scientific learning and research. Just like scientists analyze data, symbols, and numbers patterns, this event also encourages participants to sharpen their memory and analytical abilities in fun and a competitive environment. By incorporating science tools, chemical symbols, numbers, everyday objects, the activity blends in entertainment with education, promoting scientific thinking, mental agility, curiosity among students while making Science Day engaging and interactive. The judges for the competition are Dr. Meenakshi Narula and Mr. Vineet Verma.
We are honored to have with us Dr. Meenakshi Narula, the Director of JIMS Vasant Kunj and President of IIC. Dr. Meenakshi Narula is a seasoned academic leader and technology professional with over 28 years of experience spanning education, research, institutional systems, and software development. She currently serves as the Director of Jagannath International Management School, JIMS Vasant Kunj, New Delhi, following her long-standing and impactful tenure as Head of Department of Information Technology. Her recent elevation to the directorial role reflects her dedication, strategic vision, and ability to consistently prove herself in leadership responsibilities. Dr. Narula holds a PhD in Computer Science, an MTech in Information Technology, and Masters in Science in Mathematics. Her career began in the IT industry, where she worked for nearly 7 years as a software developer and team leader, managing critical projects in the domains of banking, housing finance, and enterprise systems. She is a published researcher with 2 patents in IoT and machine learning based systems and author of the book Python for Data Analysis, and has authored numerous research papers in soft computing, fuzzy logic, and expert systems in various conferences and journals. Her area of research leverages her profound knowledge in IT and mathematics and is focused on the modeling of automated analytical systems for students' evaluation using soft computing techniques.
In her academic journey, Dr. Narula has demonstrated a deep commitment to institutional growth, academic excellence, and digital transformation. She has played a pivotal role in implementing ERP solutions, learning management systems, and digital tools that modernized operations and enhanced teaching learning experience. Her leadership in management, IT infrastructure, conducting faculty training, fostering innovation has significantly contributed to Institute's evolution into a tech-enabled learning hub. Dr. Narula has served as BCA Program Coordinator of Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, GGS IPU, for more than 16 years. and has contributed extensively to curriculum reforms and academic coordination for BCA program of all the affiliated colleges of the university. Earlier as convener and now as president of Institution Innovation Council IIC under the Innovation Cell of Ministry of Education, she has campaigned innovation and entrepreneurship across campus, consistently earning top-tier national rating for the institution.
Her work has been recognized with several honors, including Best Faculty Award and Faculty of the Month Award, and formal commendations for leadership excellence. With a rare combination of academic depth, industry insight, and institutional leadership, Dr. Nerula continues to drive impactful change in higher education. I would now like to request Anisha ma'am to present a token of appreciation to Nerula ma'am. I would like to request Nerula ma'am to enlighten us with her inspiring words for today's event.
Good morning to all of you. I'm happy to see so many students in the morning sitting here to participate in various competitions which have been organized on this National Science Day. So these kind of events help us to know, as she has already said, it is celebrated to celebrate the achievement of Sir Venkatraman and what he has discovered. He got Nobel Prize for it also. So it happened in 1928. So that time we all were not there. So how we will know that in India also we have such people who can bring laurels to the country and they can contribute to the growth of the world. This Raman effect is being used in various fields: forensic sciences, medical, pharmaceutical, different places we are using this concept, what was given by Sir Raman. So these are the events which help us to know our rich history and what our scientists were doing. And do you know, every year the Science Day has some theme. So are you aware of the theme for this year? Yes or no?
Yes.
Who is saying yes? Please let me know. Yes. Abhishek,
Yes.
बताओ क्या थीम इस बार की?
Ma'am, basically it's related to science and our brain.
This time the theme is women in science. Women in science. How many females are sitting here? I'm seeing a lot of girls are here. So, as you know, we are progressing towards making our country as a developed country to 2047. Are you aware of this? This is the mission of our government, that we should not keep saying after around 100 years of our independence into 2047, it will become 100 years of our independence. So even after 100 years of our independence, we should not be called as developing country. Developing country का क्या मतलब है कि हम अभी develop कर रहे हैं धीरे धीरे. So I'm happy to see that our government at least has realized it is high time. 100 साल बहुत time होता है कि एक country को develop करने के लिए. So they have kept this as a mission that 2047 we should try to make our country as developed country. So I think this is the food for thought I am giving to you all to go home and see developing country क्या होती है और developed country क्या होती है. तो तुमको आपको समझ में आएगा कि डेवलप कंट्री का क्या मतलब है. जो डेवलप कंट्रीज हैं ज़्यादातर वेस्ट की, तो हाउ इंडिया विल इज ट्राइंग टू मेक इट्स मार्क और स्पेस इन दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया कि डेवलप कंट्री में हम हों. देयर आर फ्यू कंट्रीज ओनली विच आर कॉल्ड डेवलप कंट्रीज. तो यू जस्ट रीड अबाउट इट And the theme for this National Science Day, Women in Science, so we are having a rich history for women scientists also from our country. I think everybody might be knowing about Kalpana Chawla. She was working with NASA. Unfortunately, by coming back from the space, the spacecraft crashed and she could not survive. But we should remember that our scientists have reached to NASA also and doing a great job. अभी हमने देखा कि हमारे जो मिशंस हैं, जो DRDO के मिशंस हैं, Chandrayaan and all, so these we are getting success and we are making our mark in few of the countries who have achieved something in space. So we should proud of all our scientists, and I'm very happy that we are celebrating this day. Although we are not celebrating on 28th, although it is a 28th National Science Day, but because of our constraint, we know that Saturday you also feel कि इतना अलग से आना पड़ेगा. So we thought this is the right time. We can celebrate this day with our students to make them understand the importance of this day. And I hope this is not the whatever we are talking our scientists have done. We keep doing everything every day. Our young minds are doing something great, creative, and we are making our mark in the world. So I wish you all the best, and I hope from all the students that this Science Day, it's not something doing in the laboratories and coming up with some solution of some problem. It is a, you can say, scientific way of thinking. We see something, we see some activity happening in front of us, how we interpret it, how we think about it, and we try to find out this particular phenomena, how it can be used for the betterment of the society, betterment of the country. So that is the basic, I think, aim of doing something scientific or getting achieve something, right? So I think everybody should have that scientific bend of mind, so that you think whatever you see happening in front of you, some natural phenomena happening in front of you, you should think about it, how, why, and where, how we can use it in different places, why it is happening, what is the science behind it. So that way we can develop our country, and I wish all the women, female students here. So this is the theme of this year, Women in Science. So we should try to do something which is going to contribute in the growth of our country. So with these words, I would like to wish all the best to all the participants. I hope the judgment will be fair, transparent, and whether you win or you lose, don't lose your hope, don't lose your heart. All are winners who have come here and who have taken this decision to come and participate at least. Because winner may be one out of so many competitors. So we should celebrate that we have participated, we have learned something, and we have added something in our knowledge, we have added something in our experience. That is a big achievement. So all the best to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for these encouraging words. We are honored to have you here today. We also have with us Mr. Vineet Verma, the IIC Innovation Coordinator. Mr. Vineet Verma is an academic and media professional with over 9 years of dynamic experience at the intersection of education, public discourse, and institutional leadership. He currently serves as an assistant professor at Jagannath International Management School, GGSIPU, where he leads initiatives in media operations, innovation, and community engagement, merging academic insight with hands-on execution. Alongside his academic commitments, he actively engages with the public as a panelist on national news channels, offering informed commentary on political, social, and communication related issues. He holds UGC NET certification and is currently pursuing a PhD in mass communication from Doon University. Now, I would like to request Soma ma'am to kindly present token of gratitude to STIR. Sharpen your scientific mind, one memory at a time. Here are the guidelines for the science graph. Participants must quickly connect a science clue to the correct real-life object and grab it first. It is an individual competition, 2 participants against each other at a time, and winners moves to the final round. Rules are as follows. Participants should stand with hands behind their back. The host will read the clue. After hearing the clue, the players will grab the object. The first one to grab the correct scores a point. If the wrong object is grabbed, the opponent participant gets a chance. But if no one grabs the object within 8 to 10 seconds, both the participants lose a chance. Fighting or pushing will lead to disqualification. The selection criteria. Higher score will be declared as the winner. Tie leads to 1 extra question. All winners will go for round 2. Let's begin with round number 1.
So let's begin with a round 1. For every set, level will go from easy to medium to hard. 2 participants would compete at each time. So first, I would like to call Bharat and Aditya Raj. Listen to the question very carefully. Okay? So we'll go for the first one. Choose the object that melts when heated. Okay, that's the correct answer.
Butter.
The second one, identify the object that conducts.
Same team. With the same team.
Identify the object that conducts heat quickly because it is a metal. Okay, the correct answer is spoon. Okay, keep your hands on the back. We'll go with the last clue.
Who is Bharat and who is Aditya? You have answered question 2.
Tick and cross.
Okay, there's the last clue. It's a tiebreaker for you both. Select the object that reduces heat loss by insulation.
Okay, time हो गया. दोनों का incorrect है. I can see.
Yeah, the correct one is
That's black
thermos.
one. This black one. Apple के पास में जो है वो है. Yes.
So it's a tie.
हो गया इनके 3 question. Next team. Next को बुलाओ. All the next team.
Okay, it's a tie between them. So you'll get one more chance, one more question.
And give 5 seconds only.
Okay, you'll get 5 seconds.
You are giving more.
Yes.
Pick the object that stretches and returns to its shape.
What's this? Balloon.
Wrong answer. That was a hair tie.
Elasticity. दोनों का indirect. Call some market.
We can also consider.
Thank you.
जिसके 3 आंसर सही है उसको मिलेगा, है ना? That will be the winner. ये भी सही है. नहीं.
Next round is going to be between Vani and Ayush. Please come on stage.
And give only 5 seconds.
हाँ. Too much time.
Guys, keep your hands.
Only 5 seconds time.
Question first. Pick the object that shows your reflection.
Don't prompt.
That's correct. Points to Ayush. Identify the object that produces light using electricity. That is the correct LED lamp. There's one more question.
Okay, now it's done. We know it. Don't waste the questions. We need questions for tiebreakers.
Okay, we have the third pair. Atharv versus Varsha.
Next team to be ready करते हैं.
Choose the object that stores electrical energy. Yeah, power bank is the correct answer. Identify the object that combines two simple machines, levers and wedges.
क्या है? Again, repeat the question.
Identify the objects that combines two simple machines, levers and wedges. The correct answer is scissors. Okay, the last one. Select the object that converts electrical energy into sound waves. Correct.
Next round is between Daksh and Yashasvi. Ankit and Riddhi, be ready for next round. Select the object that bends light before it enters the eye.
बता तो दो who is Daksh, who is Yashasvi, so that those who don't know.
Repeat the question.
Select the object that bends light before it enters the eye. Wrong.
सही से सुना नहीं था.
Spectacles.
Listen carefully.
Identify the object used to measure angles in degrees. Correct. Select the object that joins papers using mechanical pressure.
Okay, the next one are Ankit and Riddhi. Madhvi and Navya, be ready for the next one. Choose the object that expands when filled with air.
Correct. Ready.
Identify the object that sprays liquid using air pressure. Select the object that helps liquid move upward using pressure difference.
Time up. But sir, no, give them the time. It's a tiebreaker.
Repeat the question.
Select the object that helps liquid move upward using pressure difference.
Prashant sir.
Straw.
अभी कर लें बाद में करेंगे
नहीं बाद में करो, जिनके दो हैं उनको बुलाएंगे नेक्स्ट राउंड के लिए।
Next round is between Madhvi and Navya. Gun and Anjali, be ready for next. From the table, choose the object.
Navya and Madhvi, Shiv Madhvi.
From the table, choose the object that compares two lengths directly without calculations. Scale is the correct answer.
Length बोले। Length. Not length, it is length. Two lengths.
clear with your words sir.
दोनों का next.
Identify the object that detects changes in body temperature rather than just heat. That's a discount.
क्या डिस्क्वालीफाई हो गया? दिव्या टेम्परेचर को नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं। ये क्या मतलब हुआ? पहले भी करना तो वो जल्दी रहेगी ना।
ठीक है
Point goes to Navya. Last question. Select the object that divides your day into equal units using mechanical or electronic oscillation. Watch is the correct answer.
Now the seventh one are Gun and Anjali. Dhruv Sharma and Ambika, be ready for the next one.
Anjali. And what?
Choose the object that produces sound when struck due to vibration.
देखो क्या सही है। दोनों के रॉन्ग है।
Either steel spoon or bottle.
listen carefully
Identify the object that converts electrical energy into sound.
correct Anjali got
Select the object that converts sound into electrical signals.
अंजलि
Okay.
उसका हाथ पहले गया था
Dhruv Sharma and Ambika for next round. Avnish and Devanshi, be ready. Please tell your names to the judges.
अंबिका है.
Question number 1. Pick the object that leaves a mark because of graphite friction. Pencil is the correct answer.
Graphite. Graphite.
Graphite is graphite.
फिर से बोल दो क्वेश्चन. अब तो हो गया.
Next question.
नेक्स्ट.
Identify the object that attracts iron due to magnetic force.
मैग्नेट.
Right.
Correct. Third question. Identify the object that produces heat when rubbed repeatedly on paper due to friction. Eraser is the correct answer.
चलो.
Avnish and Devanshi. Yashvi and Manhar, be ready.
हमने ना ये फील्ड से क्वेश्चन कम पूछा. ये मैक्सिमम इनसे क्वेश्चन.
Pick the object that produces heat and light through combustion.
Repeat the question.
Pick the object that produces heat and light through combustion. Candle. Candle was the correct answer.
Next.
Identify the small metal object used to open locks that sinks in water. Correct. Metal key. Select the object that produces sound because of air vibration when blown across it. Bottle.
Okay.
Next round is between Yashvi and Manhar. Bhavishya and Dilpreet, be ready for next round.
Yashvi, man.
Yashvi, who is Yashvi? Aye. You are Yashvi and
First question. Choose the object that demonstrates rational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. Plate is the correct answer. Identify the object that resists electrical current because it is plastic. Scale is the correct answer. Select the object that converts alternating current into usable DC power. Phone charger adapter is the answer.
hero is
Next are Bhavishya and Dilpreet. Aryan and Riya, be ready. Select the object that converts sound into digital data inside it. Mobile phone is the correct answer.
अरे अब हो गया, टाइम अप हो गया। तो पहले बोलो तो सही टाइम अप, तभी तो they will be disqualified for that answer. टाइम अप हो गया।
Identify the object that demonstrates refraction when placed in water.
Time's up.
Spoon in glass. Identify the object that creates foam by trapping air in liquid.
Time's up.
Frother was the correct answer.
But create the foam.
Aryan and Riya for the next round.
Please come fast.
Srishti and Raheel, be ready. Please introduce yourself to the judges.
Aryan.
My name is Riya. Choose the object that performs photosynthesis. Correct. Leaf is the correct answer.
नहीं उसको count हो।
Yes. Identify the object that prevents microbial growth by reducing moisture.
Time's up.
Salt is the correct answer. Choose the object that contains microorganisms used in fermentation. Curd is the correct answer.
है वहाँ पर?
Yes, ma'am.
तीनों गलत हो गए, एक से। ठीक है।
Shrishti and Raheel. Priyanka and Kushagra, be ready. Introduce yourself.
रोल नंबर्स क्यों नहीं है तुम लोग के? बाकी सबके तो हैं।
Ma'am, and time being on
तो
the
एंड
spot.
टाइम में रोल नंबर गायब हो जाता है। रोल नंबर होने चाहिए। सृष्टि, व्हाट इज योर एनरोलमेंट नंबर?
019142020.
0
49142020.
ओके। रिया का भी नहीं है इसमें, रिया एंड बस रिया का नहीं है।
Choose the object that protects the seed before it grows.
Time.
Correct.
But cucumber was also the correct answer.
उसे रख दिया। एप्पल इज द करेक्ट आंसर। दोनों की नहीं, उसे तो रख दिया कीड़ा।
First grab scores the point.
अच्छा फर्स्ट वन ठीक है, उसी का है।
Pick the object that contains starch, which turns blue black with iodine. Select the object that demonstrates osmosis when placed in salt water and shrinks. Correct.
Priyanka and Kushagra, please come. Mahi and Harshul, be ready.
Please tell your roll numbers.
Enrollment number
Yes.
70
Choose the object that becomes soft when heated but solidifies again on cooling without chemical change.
Time is up.
Hot glue stick is the answer. Identify the object that demonstrates gradual mass loss due to sublimation at room temperature.
Time is up.
Camphor is the correct answer. Identify the object that sticks to surface due to adhesive forces between different materials.
Time is up.
Transparent tape is the correct answer.
Okay.
Now we have the last pair, Mahi and Harshal.
My roll number क्या है? 040.
043.
Okay.
आगे
पूरा बताओ ना. 214-020-24. 23.
Choose the object that demonstrates compression of air when squeezed and returns to its original shape after release. Correct. Empty plastic bottle. Identify the object that demonstrates oxidation over time by forming a reddish brown layer when exposed to air and moisture.
Time is up.
Iron nail is the correct answer.
But apple भी तो ऑक्सीडाइज होता है और ये भी रेडिश
ठीक है इसका करेक्ट
करेक्ट है
इसका करेक्ट कर
मैंने जो सोचा है क्वेश्चन में अगर मेटल लिखा होता
मैं मॉइस्चर लिखा
तो मॉइस्चर से बताओ तो मेटल
object you have not written you have not said metal you have said any object
This answer is also
correct done
Okay, the qualified participants goes to the round 2.
हाँ तो बताना है ना
टू वालों को बुला सेम ही हो गया ना आपका
सर से भी सेम ही आंसर हो गया ये लो बेटा सेम लगता है 1 and 0 वालों को डाल दो 2 वालों को ले लो तो तुम्हारा फिल्ट्रेशन हो गया हाँ
है ना 5 मिनट्स का टंग ट्विस्टर किसी से बोल दो
अभी पहले कॉल करो कि जिसको टंग ट्विस्टर बोलना है यहाँ पर एक दो करा लो call them on the stage.
Okay, we have some science tongue twisters. Whoever is interested, raise your hands.
टंग ट्विस्टर
वो काट बुलाओ बुलाओ यहाँ
जल्दी जल्दी बुलाओ
ये
नजर नहीं आया
इससे बीजेएम से बीसे गया
नेट का नेट
और कोई इंटरेस्टेड
The tongue says smart scientists swiftly study strange specimens. Smart scientific. Please one second. Smart scientists swiftly study strange specimens. Smart scientists swiftly study strange specimens. Smart scientists swiftly study strange specimens. Smart scientists swiftly study strange specimens.
This is gonna be for 10 times.
10 times.
Smart scientists swiftly study strange specimens. 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 Smart scientists swiftly study.
Next.
Anyone from the faculty who would like to
No,
try?
not for it is for
Please.
नहीं
Okay then.
बच्चे लोग करें चलो
Tiny telescopes Tiny telescopes track twinkling trillion stars. Tiny telescopes track trillions. Tiny telescopes. Tiny telescopes track twinkling trillion stars. 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 Tiny telescopes track twinkling trillion.
नहीं इससे फिक्स नहीं बोला है हर टाइम तो टकरा वेल राइट 5 टाइम्स करते 10 ज्यादा हो रहा है
10 ज्यादा हो रहा है।
लेकिन एक बार
6 ठीक है।
You have a prize for it. कोई भी बोलना है यार
Rapid rockets race round red rings. 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 Rapid rockets race round red rings.
नहीं हो गया फंबल किया फंबल 2 टाइम्स
Curious chemists carefully create colorful crystals. 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 Curious chemists. Curious chemists carefully create colorful crystals.
Silent satellites slowly spin in space. 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 Silent satellites slowly spin in space.
बस हो गया नेक्स्ट
बंदा आ रहा नेक्स्ट टाइम सर बोले ना कोई बच्चे है क्लास में कैमरा संभाल लेंगे, शनि की जगह किसका नाम लेगा? हाँ भाई मजा आ रहा, कर्मा में लेना चाहिए था यार।
कोई नहीं आया, जल्दी आया तो जल्दी हो जाता, बट एक ही कैमरा मिला था यही वाला।
Galactic gases glow gently, 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 galactic gases glow gently.
That was very exciting. Now we have winners who are going to qualify for second round. First, Ayush, Athar, Yashasvi, Navya, Anjali, Dhruv Sharma, Avnish, Aryan, Srishti, Mahi. Please come on the front seats. Front seats. Please come on the front seats for the second round. Please come on the front. Ayush, Athar, Yashasvi, Navya, Anjali, Dhruv Sharma, Avnish, Aryan, Srishti, Mahi.
First tell them who is conducting this? कौन कर रहा है ना?
पता नहीं मोस्ट पे।
Tell them to take this.
Yeah. Take your seats, please.
First row. First row.
They will sit in the first
Take your seats in the first row, very first row.
बड़ी आगे से मत निकलो यार।
बताएगा तो तभी
कितना ही
भाई आगे से
अब rules
बैठ ठीक है।
I'll go each participant. Okay, then come here. The rules are will be shown.
Everyone, please settle down.
Listen carefully and don't talk.
Settle down quickly. Volunteers, please.
So after the fun and intriguing round 1, let's talk about the final guidelines of the final round of the memory test challenge. In this, participants will observe a set of items displayed for a limited time and then recall as many as possible. Instructions for the participants are: you will see 10 items on the screen. Items may include any of the following: science tools, chemical symbols, random numbers, daily life objects, or mixed images. Observe carefully and try to remember, as the screen will go blank after 10 seconds. Participants will get 30 seconds to recall everything they saw, and they must say all the remembered items loudly. Judges will silently record the correct answers. After all the participants finish, we will announce the top scorers and the scores will be displayed on the screens.
How judges are going to judge?
And they are
You will be doing that. Simply, you are giving them.
Yes, we will be have the list.
They will memorize and they will say or they will write.
They will get 10 seconds screen
That
where items
understood. How they are going to tell the object.
they will like verbally tell the answers. Like they will list the items and on the list
Paper they will they will write that will
we wanted to make it interactive, so that's why.
So now for the tiebreaker round, if 2 or more participants have the same highest score, 8 items will be shown. The display time would be 12 seconds, recall time would be 25 seconds, and the maximum correct answer wins. Also, no mobile phones would be allowed, talking or hinting is strictly prohibited, any gestures and signals would not be tolerated, any unfair means would lead to direct disqualification. Judge's decision is final and any other discrepancies after that will not be entertained. Thank you.
If somebody is telling the answers and somebody prompts, then that person will be disqualified.
Yes, ma'am.
As simple as that. Clear?
Yes.
No prompting is allowed.
Let's start the final round. I would like to request Ayush to please come on the stage.
And you will get 10 seconds और आपको जितने भी आइटम्स हम रिवाइज कर सकते हैं आपको 10 seconds में देखना है 10 seconds के बाद स्क्रीन नहीं दिखेगी and then you have to list the items yes so are you ready
वो लोग कर रहे हैं दोनों कर रहे हैं Who is judging? Or should we? बहुत सारे नोट करो
So microscope, magnet, skeleton, compass, and
Four. Yes, four. नहीं नेक्स्ट फोर ही बोला तो जाने दो ना उसको फोर हो गया ना भाई फोर से गुना
Now, I would like to request Adhav to please come.
Stand close to that.
Give 4 marks to him.
ठीक है आ रहा है
stopwatch, test tube, stopwatch, test tube, cylinder, light bulb, stopwatch, test tube, cylinder, light bulb.
Rain were there, moon were there.
Yashasvi.
Close up.
Come close to the podium.
Clock, balloons, sunlight, heart, and it's a rainbow. Balloons and
Navya. And next is Anjali, be ready.
You're checking now.
Sir, मेरे instructions.
हाँ मैं रूम में बनाई मैंने इसी ने बनाई आइटम्स लिखे हुए ना चेक कर
mirror, solar panel, battery, stones, and that tube, chemical वाला जो tube होता है वो, और helicopter, and magnet, magnet.
मैम एक्चुअली इसमें एक गलत हो गया।
गलत वाला हटा दो। कितने हो गए टोटल? 6।
Anjali, next Dhruv Sharma be ready.
थोड़ा पीछे हो बेटा।
Wire, skeleton, solar panel, एक वो timer clock, compass, leaf, बैटरी और वायर. Thank you.
Dhruv Sharma. Next is
How many? 6.
next is Avnish, be ready. Nose, pencil, sun, Jupiter, injection. Pencil.
How many?
Next is Avnish
He said
and
Jupiter instead of Saturn.
Aryan, be ready.
Planet बोल देते तो सेफ रहता।
Saturn, ice cube, plant, car, telescope.
How many?
Aryan. Srishti, be ready.
Books, skeleton, camera, laptop, rainbow, bathtub, I don't know what call it, and battery. Yes, that's it.
How many? 6.
He said
Srishti.
bathtub, but it was a soap.
Next is Mahi, so be ready.
Heart, test tube, telescope, test tube, telescope,
So this was our last participant. Mahi, please.
Solar panel, first aid box, battery, car, leaf.
Do you guys want to try it?
It's for school. No, it's for school. Next round करा लो.
अब 6 वालों को बुला दो। 6 वालों को बुला दो। हाईएस्ट है 6। हाईएस्ट 6 है। कितने बच्चों के 6 है? उनको बुलाओ नेक्स्ट। उनको बुलाओ।
So Navya, Aryan and Anjali.
बस 3 हो ना?
Yes.
क्या करना है? आगे बुलाओ ना।
Navya, please come.
बेटे बुलाओ। Please come here. Now something. Please come forward.
Brain, cycle, that chemical tube, earth, globe, mirror, and that soil, and glass. That's it.
How many? How many?
7 items.
Anjali, come forward.
Cylinder, bulb, magnifying glass, campus, rocket, aeroplane. Books थी और solar panel.
Books भी बोला है।
5.
कितने?
5 items.
Aryan, please come forward.
Aryan, please come. बोले तो ये सारे
Actually, there are many photos, so they are confused.
वो तो सारे
solar panel, scale, injection, soil, droplet,
कितने हो गए इसके? एक 6 वाला winner हो गया। 7 वाला। हो गए तीनों? 3 के 6।
Yes, ma'am. 6 for. So for the tiebreaker round, all those participants who have got 5, they will be called upon. The first one is Yashasvi.
Second prize.
This is for second position.
Yes, yes, sir.
Third we have.
Yes, sir.
Only first and second.
So
We'll give only 2.
ठीक है बुलाओ।
Yashasvi.
थोड़ा जल्दी कराओ क्योंकि we have the next class. बट जिनके 6 थे उनका सेकंड प्राइज हो गया ना तो उन्होंने तय किया। बोलो बोलो
Bandit, telescope, plant, and mirror, sunlight, and magnet.
Who is monitoring? कितने हो गए ना? कितने हुए इसके? नहीं
बैटरी है वो बैटरी
क्या नहीं है?
मैग्नेट का था वो एक्चुअली बैटरी है
मतलब मैग्नेट को बैटरी को मैग्नेट बोलते हैं।
ओके
कोई है और एक मिनट फिर से दिखाओ वाली स्लाइड प्लांट भी बोला था प्लांट भी बोला था बैंडेड बोला था बाकी गलत बोल दिए ना कहिए आपका नेक्स्ट बुलाओ
Next है, do we have next?
Anjali, please come solar panel, ambulance kit, वो first aid और बारिश, cloud बारिश, ठीक है, magnifying glass,
जोर से बोलो उनको सुनाई दे
leaf, brain,
Next, I would like to call upon Aryan.
How many?
Skeleton, battery, glass, magnet, compass, telescope, leaf, stopwatch, test tube, camera test tube,
This is 6 hours of time.
एक काम देखो, टाइमिंग किसका कम था? टाइम
मॉनिटर नहीं कर रहा हाँ दोनों को सेम स्क्रीन दो और दोनों को कवर लेके देंगे पेपर पे लिखेंगे
अंजलि कम फॉरवर्ड
और कोई नए वाले स्क्रीन तो बार बार वही आइटम्स आ रहे हैं याद हो गए उनको सबको मुझे याद हो गए वही घूम फिर के आ रहे हैं
There seem many pictures ना
कौन से बोल दोनों अलग अलग बैठो या यहीं खड़े हो
यहीं पे करवा लेते हैं ना
यहीं खड़े हो ये टेबल कर दो बैठेंगे इधर खड़ा हो जाए इधर खड़ा हो जाए नहीं लिखेंगे कैसे
वैसे बैठ जाना
हाँ you will have to tell the write the item same screen will be shown both of you and you will write out the items पहले देखो यहाँ खड़े हो you will get
have to observe the screen for 10 seconds and then you have to list the items and to
बेटे इसको चेयर बेटे आगे चेयर दे दो ना यहाँ
ठीक से समझा दो
दो चेयर ठीक से समझाओ
Okay, so this is the second tiebreaker round happening between Aryan and Anjali. So what you have to do is that you will be given few items on the screen, but you have to write them in front of the judges instead of speaking them. Okay?
एक ही काफी है बस बेटे उधर नहीं
No, you have to view them. Then when the screen will be off, then you have to write.
बस एक चेयर दो बस क्या we will sit
मैंने नहीं क्यों नहीं अभी तो नहीं करना अभी तो नहीं करना मेरे को कुछ अपडेट ही नहीं आता अच्छा वो वाला पॉडकास्ट अभी करेंगे वो तो यार 2 मिनट आ जाओ अभी तो यार हमने नीचे
नाम लिखो अपना
यार हमने अभी हम 15-20 मिनट का रह गया बस फ्री हो गया तो भी क्लास में
Time's up.
मेरा और हर्ष का बैग
राइट डाउन योर नेम बेटा
मेरा सामान भी
ठीक है
मेरा सामान भी है बाहर बोलना चले
अनु को उसे पॉडकास्ट करना है
इट्स ओके
उसका पार्टनर है
जो पता है वो रिलीज हो गया जो नाम नहीं क्या कहते
पॉडकास्ट तो हमारा भी है हम भी उसको लेंगे
हाँ तो वो हमारे
स्टार को देखते हैं ना वो उसका कहते हैं
बेटे स्टार को देखते के मार्क्स मत देना आई चेक तो दे दो
राधिका को बोलो और जो ये नीचे अभी वो बच्चे आने वाले हैं
प्रोडक्टिविटी करते हुए
चलो बेटा जल्दी वाइंड अप करो
रात में ताकि फिर मैं भी छुट्टी मारूं ठीक है
Now for the most anticipated part of the event. Well, yes, now we announce the results of Brain Nova, where speed actually meets intelligence. So, are you all excited for the results? So, let's start from the downward order. I'll
अभी तो नहीं
So we are starting from the downward order. So the second position goes to any guesses? Yes, Aryan. You are from the second position.
Now the first position for winner of the Brain Nova goes to Navya Maheshwari.
ऐसी रही हो सेल्फी ले लियो एक
Congratulations to all our winners. I would like to call upon Vineet sir to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
Okay, as we wind up, we thank all of you once again for being a part of this event. Thank you judges, all the organizing committee, our student coordinators and the faculty members. And last but not least, the participants. Thank you all of you for coming here, participating here and making it a very grand event. Thank you all of you. Thank
ले ली डन
you. Thank you.